At Flinders, we're making a difference to the world we live in. Our exceptional research in marine sciences is helping us better understand the marine and coastal environment, including animals and processes underpinning ecosystem productivity. And here are some of our researchers and projects we're currently working on.
I'm here on Naifuru, a local island of the Maldives, to study the impacts of light pollution on coral reef fishes. We've built these underwater lights and we've put them out on the reef, and we're looking at how exposure to light at night is influencing fish behavior and other interesting questions like reproduction and survival.
In my lab, we do basic and applied research in evolution, ecology, and conservation management. We use information from the blueprint of life, the DNA, to understand how animal populations evolved and to predict their capacity to adapt to rapid environmental change. Our focus is on fishes, dolphins, whales, and mollusks, and we have projects in several countries of the Southern Hemisphere. In Australia, we work closely with fisheries agencies and community groups to create and improve management policies for commercial and threatened species. In fact, the research from my lab recently received the highest possible rating by the Australian government for impact outside academia.
We study all aspects of the human past with relationship to the sea, submerged landscapes, historic vessels, wrecking events, ancient seafaring all over the world, and we work on every humanly occupied continent. We have research projects going in Australia, in Europe, in the Near East, and in Africa. My personal research interests and my expertise focuses on the previously terrestrial, now submerged, inundated landscapes of several thousand years ago. I work in Denmark, I work in the Middle East, and I work here in Australia looking for traces of the human past on what is now the seabed.
The discoveries we're making here at Flinders are contributing towards valuable marine resources and to supporting responsible economic growth so that we can leave behind a better planet for generations to come.